Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss a magical key. The name of the key is Alt. It can be only used on a Windows laptop. However, that key can create magic when you're using Excel on a Windows laptop. And I'm going to show you how. If you are used to using mouse or all these functions at the top, then let me tell you, by using an Alt key, you can actually reduce the amount of time and the number of clicks which you have to do if you're using the top ribbon. Now, in the initial days, when you just start using Alt key, you will find that perhaps you are taking more time because you are trying to find your way. But more you practice and more you work with Excel, your muscle memory on all those shortcuts will develop, and then you will become really fast in Excel. And I'm telling you this based on my personal experience. When I started out, I did not know E of Excel, or in other words, I did not know anything about Excel. But within a year or so of working on Excel on a daily basis, because my job required me to work on Excel on a daily basis, I started using all those shortcuts and my speed on Excel improved dramatically. So let me help you improve your speed in Excel dramatically by using the Alt key. Let me press the Alt key now. As you can see, as soon as I press the Alt key, some alphabets and numbers appear on the screen. This means, or this gives us an indication that if we use this key subsequently, then it will automatically open up this particular button in the ribbon. So let's take an example. So for file, if I press F, it will automatically open up the file button. And under the file, there are so many options, I, N, O, S, A, which basically means if I want the information of the file, if I want to open a new file, or if I want to open an existing file, if I want to save, if I want to save as in a particular folder, all of these options are there. So let's say I want to start a new file. So I'll just press N and it will give me the option to open the new file, which is blank workbook or some kind of an online template or some pre-existing template within the Excel file. And if we don't want any of those, we can just press the escape button and we'll come back to the previous screen with the alphabets on top of this. If we again press escape button, it will come back to the previous screen. Now let's try out another button on the ribbon. Let's try home button. So if I press H, as you can see under home, it gives you the option of shortcuts for each and every function. So remember, first we press Alt, then we press H for home, and then we have so many options. For example, now if you want to delete something, then if I press D, it will give me option of whether I want to delete the cell, delete sheet rows, delete sheet columns, delete sheet. And then under each of this, again I have option DRCS, whichever one I want to use. So let's say I want to delete the sheet, so I will use S. Now it gives me this message, of course, because I have only one sheet in this workbook and hence I cannot delete this worksheet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert a worksheet over right now. And did you realize I actually use the shortcut, and that shortcut is Alt-IW, which I've actually covered in a separate video on worksheet. Now let's do the same thing. So first we did Alt, then we said H, then we did D, and then we did S, and there you go, the sheet is deleted. Now the first time you do, it will sound quite onerous that how many things can you remember, but the trick is don't even try to remember it. Once you start doing it on a regular basis, it will automatically register in your brain, and one fine day you will start using these shortcuts without even you realizing it. Let's take another example of the Alt button. Let's say Alt, we want to go into the formulas button, so we will press M And again, we get all the options over here under formulas. Let's say we want to do date and time. So we are going to press E, and it gives you all the options which you can actually drag down using your downward key. And whichever option you want to select, for example, I want to select month, and then I'm going to just press enter, and it's going to give me the formula function. Isn't this easy? It is, and it is a magical key, let me tell you that. Start using it from today and you will see how fast you really become in Excel. If you want to go through more of such videos, do visit my website www.starperformers.net. If you like this video, do click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and also press the notification button so that whenever I upload new videos, you get the notification and you can watch that video for free on YouTube. Till then, goodbye, have a good day. I wish you all the best to become an expert in Excel.